So, guys, this is the second type of software testing, integration testing, and it is also second level of software testing. Integration testing is a second level of the software testing process. It's usually performed after unit testing and functional testing, where individual units of the application are combined and tested. The focus of the integration testing levels is to expose defects at the time of integration between integrated components or unit. सो गाइज हम इसमें इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग जो एक सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग का टाइप है, जो एक सेकंड लेवल है सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग का, उसको हम एक लाइव प्रोजेक्ट एग्जांपल के साथ कंप्लीट करेंगे, जिससे आपको ये बेनिफिट होगा कि लाइक इन डेली बेसिस टेस्टिंग आप जो करते हैं उसमें आप इन केस एक्सपेंस सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टर जो कि डन करते हैं डेली बेसिस पर इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग आल्सो, तो उन्हें ये क्लियर होना चाहिए लाइक कि वो कर रहे हैं वो एक टाइप की इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग है. सो प्लीज़ watch the video, and please like and subscribe for kind of testing types of testing. Okay, so integration testing is second level of testing. It's clear. So it's usually performed after unit testing and functional testing. Why it's usually performed after unit testing and functional testing? Because if a single module is completed, after that a single module is completed, after like 1 to 2 modules are completed, and when integrated, like where individual module or unit, it's a single module, and of the application, where individual modules of the application are combined. uh, Unit module 1, unit module 2, unit module 3, it's combined, and after that tested, like this kind of testing, it's integration testing, in case in your application, in your website, 2 to 3 modules are present, and mm, all modules are depend on each other. If you test one module, and then data is reflected in the other module, then you going to the next module and check the data is coming or not, correct or not. So this kind of testing is integration testing. The focus of the integration testing level is to expose defect at the time of integration between integrated components or unit, like uh, uh, 3 modules, 4 modules, multiple modules in your website, like um, basic one modules. It's like you first, in case you sign up the website, you fill your information. After that, you log in the application, and you check in your profile your data is coming or not, your data is showing or not. So this kind of testing, it's integration testing. First, you fill the sign up form, all fields correctly, like all fields completely fill, date of birth, name, last name, email ID, phone numbers, like uh, address, mobile numbers. Like in case you fill the all fields, and you check in the your profile, you test in the profile, you going for test the profile testing, edit profile, then that kind of testing, it's integration testing, because the sign up module is uh, combined, and it's a depend, it's a correlated, and it's a combined to each other, like it's a depend on the other modules, it's reflected, it's data, it's show in the uh, profile module. So when you test that kind of thing, this is a integration testing. So guys, next thing, in the integration testing, there are the three approach in the integration testing. First is Bing Bang approach, top down approach, and bottom up approach. All three things I covered in this single video, and integration testing also, and uh, execute on with a live project example for like you feel it's very good for you. So please like this video and subscribe this channel for type of testing. So guys, combining Bing Bang approach, it's like it's a name. It's not clear what is the type of approach. So please focus on this approach, and this is the combining all the modules once and verify the functionality after completion of individual or unit module testing. So that is the type of the integration testing, Bing Bang approach. So where you able to see three modules: unit test one module A, unit test B module second, unit test three, test C three module. Like it's three modules present in your front. Like all three modules are depend to each others. Like first module is sign up form, second module is profile form, and third module is edit profile form, right? So you fill the data, all kind of thing in the first module. You check your data, it's coming or not in the profile module. After that, you click on the edit profile button, update profile button, and you check your filled data, your fill data on the sign up page. It's coming or not on the edit screen. So that kind of thing, it's Bing Bang approach. You check it's all data it's correctly come. Like you fill on the sign up form your name, your middle name, your last name, but on the B module and C module, your name, your first name only showing, your last name and middle name it's not showing. So it's bug, and it's like it's a issue. So that kind of testing, like first module you test sign up form, you fill the data, and you go to next module, profile module, and you go to third module, like uh, edit profile module, and you check the data it's perfectly coming or not. So that type of testing, system wide testing, it's a whole type of combined module testing. This is a Bing Bang approach. Second one is a top down approach. Top down, like it's here testing takes place from top to bottom, and top level modules are tested first. After that, low level modules are tested. So it's a you test the first module. First module, it's like a sign up module. So you test first the sign up module fields, sign up module uh, uh, submit or not properly, it's not getting any kind of error. So that kind of testing, it's a top down approach. Like first module, it's tested properly. After that, you going to next module, which is depend on the first module. So that kind of testing is top down approach. Next, it's a bottom approach. Like in case bottom in top down approach and bottom approach, like you see the definition, like here testing takes place from top to bottom. Here testing takes place from bottom to up. At top level modules are tested first, after that low level modules, and the lowest modules are tested first, after that highest module. So you feel no any kind of difference, but I will explain clearly. You imagine that it's a major difference in the top down approach and bottom approach. Guys, here you able to see top down approach and bottom approach. So I explain both are major difference in the approach. This is the top down approach. Here we first going to test the top modules, after that test the lowest module. You first test the sign up module is your a module. So you need to test the sign up module first. You fill the data on sign up, you click on the sign up button, then you face any kind of error, then note down, you face any kind of issue, any kind of flickering, like kind of thing, like path breaking. So it's you test the first module, you test the first top module. That is the top down approach. After that you going to check in the second module, top to bottom. First you check the first module, second you go to the second module is the profile module. In the profile you check the your data is showing or not. After that you going on edit module, you click on the edit button and go to the edit screen, and you check the data, your profile data. It's all same things are showing or not on the edit screen. So that kind of thing, that kind of testing, it's a top down approach. Three modules integrated and combined to each other. So you going to top module to bottom module. That is the top down approach. So major difference is that in bottom approach testing, you need to test first C module, after that B module, after that A module. C module, you first test the edit module, edit form screen. Like you feel you uh, you are in the edit screen, you change your data, like you change your name, you change your mobile number, and click on the submit button. Then you check after that on profile screen, like your data is updated or not. So and you not going on the sa- sign up screen, because it's a top module. So in bottom approach, you test the C module and B module, like edit screen and update your profile screen. Like update screen, edit screen. After that you check on the profile, your data is shown on. It's a data, it's not reflect on the top modules. So I will explain, don't be confused, I will explain with live example. Execute on with a live project. If two modules are combined or depends on each other, then should be working fine as per the functionality. So guys, here you are able to see the live project. This is the Amazon side, it's live. You are also able to check on your system. This is the product list. I select the category mobile. This is the product list, mobile list. This is the this is the top module, right? This is the top module, it's my first module, it's top module. It's I click on the add to cart. So you able to see in my lower module my one card is added. Again I will add the one more card. Click on the add to card. So it's top module, like it's where is it, added successfully in my card, right? So you able to see two quantities added in my card. So if I delete the my card from this screen, then it's not affected in the product list, not affected in the top module. That kind of testing, it's a integration testing, like kind of thing. If I add the card, then should be both modules is connected, and both modules is if If both modules are combined and depend on the each other, like if I add the card, then it's added successfully in my card modules, so should be show like what is the scenario, what is the test cases here, like if I add the product from the top module, from the listing module, from the product listing module. If I add the card from the product listing module, then should be show in the card module. So card module is a bottom module, it's a lowest module. And uh, list product list module, it's top module. Like I added in your front on a screen one mobile, like and it's showing in the card screen, right? But if I delete from the card module, like if I change in the bottom module, if I change the data from the bottom module, then it's not affected in the product list. So I will explain again, like think if I edit my data, if if I edit my data from edit screen or edit module, then it's a show, and it's a show updated data in profile, but it's not affected in the top module. So that kind of thing, if I change the delete from the cart module, it's shown, should be shown the zero count if no any product present in my cart, then should be show the zero, that kind of scenarios. And if I add the card from the product list, then should be showing, then should be show my product in the card module. That is the scenario. So that kind of thing, both modules are combined and depend with each other. This is the integration testing. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for multiple types of testing, like 100 plus types of testing. It's very useful for you. Thank you.